Let me share a story that will change how you think about intimacy after 60. A vibrant 68-year-old woman, we'll call her Susan, came to my clinic feeling disconnected and frustrated. Despite being in a loving 40-year marriage, physical closeness had become uncomfortable and unsatisfying. She assumed this was inevitable with age until we discovered 8 surprising habits that were quietly undermining her connection with her partner. What happened next amazed everyone. After making thoughtful adjustments, Susan and her husband didn't just restore their bond, they discovered new depths of closeness and pleasure they hadn't experienced in decades. Today, I'll share these eye-opening insights with you, along with groundbreaking research about mature relationships that challenges everything we've been told about aging and physical connection. The truth about intimacy in later years isn't about limitation, it's about understanding how our bodies evolve and adapting our approach. Modern science reveals that regular, meaningful physical connection actually supports healthy aging, boosting immunity, maintaining cognitive function, and promoting cardiovascular health. But here's what often goes unmentioned. How we approach closeness matters more than our age. The difference between seniors who enjoy fulfilling connections well into their 80s and those who struggle frequently comes down to 8 crucial misconceptions and, more importantly, how to transform them. Let's begin with medications, an overlooked factor affecting physical relationships. That nightly heart prescription, if it contains nitrates, combining it with certain erectile support medications could cause dangerous blood pressure changes. But the impact extends further. Common antidepressants, blood pressure regulators, and even allergy medications can influence physical responsiveness. The solution isn't to abandon necessary treatments, it's to consult with a healthcare provider who understands how to balance wellness and quality of life. Emerging research shows that adjusting timing and dosage can often help maintain both health and connection. Now, reconsider one of the most persistent myths about mature relationships: the idea that gradual, sensual connection is only for younger couples. Nothing could be further from reality. After hormonal changes in midlife and beyond, our bodies benefit from different kinds of stimulation and more time to respond fully. That quick transition from dinner to the bedroom that worked in earlier years, it may now lead to discomfort. The key lies in redefining intimacy. Gentle massage, unhurried affection, and thoughtful use of personal lubricants can awaken sensitivity in wonderful new ways. University studies found that couples who incorporated just 20 minutes of non-goal-oriented touch reported significantly greater satisfaction, regardless of age. Speaking of lubrication, this is an area where many mature couples could benefit from updated knowledge. That familiar drugstore product? It might contain ingredients that actually increase irritation. Current research on tissue changes with age indicates we need pH-balanced, gentle formulas. Look for products with soothing botanicals. This consideration matters for all partners. Proper lubrication helps maintain comfort and protect delicate tissue for everyone. Perhaps the most surprising revelation concerns health precautions among older adults. While attention focuses on younger populations, infection rates among those 55+ have risen dramatically in recent years. Several factors contribute: new relationships later in life, immune system changes, and the mistaken assumption that protection isn't necessary after certain life stages. The solution isn't avoidance of connection, it's informed care. Regular health screenings, open conversations with new partners, and appropriate precautions remain important throughout life. Your evening routines deserve attention too. That relaxing glass of wine before closeness? It might be working against you, dehydrating tissues, affecting circulation, and dulling sensation. Interestingly, certain non-alcoholic alternatives can actually support physical connection. Tart cherry juice promotes healthy circulation. Dark chocolate stimulates positive feelings. Even pomegranate juice has shown benefits for responsiveness when enjoyed regularly. Timing is another factor many mature couples could reconsider. Our natural rhythms shift with age, meaning that late-night connection might not align with our optimal energy and hormone levels. New research suggests that for many couples over 60, late morning or early afternoon provides ideal conditions. Energy levels are higher, and natural hormonal support is at its peak. Medical studies found that seniors who adjusted their timing accordingly reported significantly greater satisfaction. The market for enhancement products often targets senior insecurities with potentially risky solutions. Those natural vitality boosters, many contain unregulated ingredients that could affect blood pressure or interact with medications. The healthiest approach focuses on circulation and awareness. Approved amino acid supplements with medical guidance, sensory exploration with warm or cool massage oils, and mindfulness practices that enhance present moment connection. Pelvic health forms an often overlooked foundation. Weakness in these muscles doesn't just affect bladder control, it can diminish the power of physical pleasure and make responsiveness more challenging. The exercises you've heard about. Most people need guidance to perform them correctly. Proper technique involves gradual, controlled engagement of deep muscles. Imagine slowly lifting something precious rather than sudden clenching. Specialized physical therapists can provide remarkable support in this area. After significant health changes, the healthcare system frequently overlooks an important aspect of recovery. Few cardiologists discuss how and when to safely reintimate physical connection after heart events. Even fewer neurologists address this aspect of life after stroke or Parkinson's diagnosis. This leaves many couples uncertain and apprehensive. The reality? In most cases, closeness can be gradually reintroduced with proper guidance, often beginning with non-demanding touch and slowly rebuilding confidence. Progressive cardiac rehabilitation programs now include specific guidelines for physical connection. Don't hesitate to ask your healthcare team about this information. The most vibrant seniors I work with share an important realization: meaningful connection after 60 isn't about recreating youth, but about embracing your body's wisdom. It involves releasing outdated expectations and discovering new approaches that honor your changing physiology. Begin by selecting one area to explore, perhaps more mindful touch, better timed moments of closeness, or informed medication management. Small, thoughtful changes can lead to remarkable renewals of connection. And remember, physical closeness isn't just about pleasure, though that matters deeply. It's about maintaining wellness, nurturing emotional bonds, and joyfully affirming that meaningful connection has no expiration date. I'd love to hear which of these insights resonates most with your experience. Your perspective could illuminate the path for others navigating this rich chapter of life.